Your discipline changes, your daily routine improves. When your motivation increases, your goals become reachable. When your mindset improves, the important things in life become more visible. Do all of these things and your character will improve
علی جناب